Hi, week two. This week we're going to talk about what should the interpreter do to prepare for the task of interpretation. Should the interpreter take an author-oriented approach or reader-oriented approach? And is there more than a single meaning in a text? What we should do, what we should do in our in what should be involved in the elements of interpretation. We should use the elements that are available to us in locution, which is the word in a text, illocution, the communicative intent, the intention the speaker or the writer has by using those specific words, and perlocution, which describes what the speaker or writer envisioned the outcome or results to be for the audience or the reader to get the plain meaning of the text. Should the interpreter take the author oriented approach or reader oriented approach? According to Klein and the authors of biblical interpretation, the point is to develop an arsenal of appropriate interpretation methods and skills so we become listeners or receivers of an intentional message. The author is not irrelevant. And then we have illocution and perlocution make a great deal of what we should be using, which is exegesis. Unless, and our final question is there more than a single meaning in a text? And so, unless there is evidence that the author intended multiple meanings, we should believe that the author had a single meaning, but there may be multiple applications. Apart from a clear, the authors of our reading in both texts is telling us that apart from a clear single meaning of a text in the context or general employed or is generally employed, we must expect that the author intended a single meaning. We have tools to use, and then what the authors are telling us is that we must use these to get to the point of a single meaning, but with multiple may have multiple applications. Thank you.